Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix YouTube not working and opening in your Android mobile. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Sometimes it seems to be white screen or black screen, and sometimes it's been loading. So here we are gonna fix those issues. So our first step is to free up internal and processing storage. So for that you need to enter into your security, and you need to clean the temp cache files, and also you need to clean the internal storage. So please be make sure you have better storage in your Android mobile. So here I'm gonna delete all the cache files. Yeah, so guys, our second step is to set region and synchronize Google accounts. For that you need to enter into your settings, and please scroll down. You may see additional settings. Please enter into the additional settings. Over there you seems like the region. So my region is different. It states like other country. So I'm gonna set my region. Yeah, once the region is set, please check your date and time also, and also you need to scroll down. Over there you may see count and synchronize. So please click it. So please synchronize your Google account. Yeah, once you synchronize your Google account, please have some patience to wait on it. It seems to be like 5 minutes it need to be synchronized. Yeah, once it done, please close it, and we are heading into our third step. Our third step is to fix network. So for the quick fix, I'm gonna turn on and turn off airplane mode. So for better fix, you need to enter into your mobile network and make it as manual and choose your operator. Sorry, make it as automatic and choose your operator. So first do the airplane mode on and off and check whether it's working or not, and after that please restart your system. So our fourth step is to update the application. Please enter into your Play Store and then search for YouTube and then update it. So once all this is done, please restart your mobile and check whether the issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved. So yeah, the issue is solved now. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechCube, and don't forget to like and share. Bye bye.